It's not just a class, it's a way of life.
This is just an incredible school. It really is.
I mean, this is really about formation, you know?
You know, these children are our future, right?
Yeah. My name is Dominic Corridore. I went to St. Theresa from 2015 to 2017. I was part of the first graduating class here at St. Theresa.
So, my name is Samantha Court, and I'm in 8th grade at St. Theresa Catholic School.
Well, we're Brian and Kim Linder, and our grandson, we're parishioners of St. Teresa, and our grandson attends school at St. Teresa's Catholic School.
I'm Julia Reyes, and I have two sons. One has graduated, and one is currently at St. Teresa's Catholic School.
My name is George Reyes, and I have 4 sons. We have 4 sons. and our 2 youngest boys went to St. Teresa's, one from pre-K all the way to 8th grade, and the other one from pre-K all the way to 6th grade.
Currently in 6th grade.
There's an authentic introduction to the faith life. In particular, they give you a love for a lot of the spiritual weapons, the rosary, adoration, and mass. That's one of the most beautiful things I found at St. Teresa that they could give you. That's the most important thing you need in this world, really. So
Wise. And you realize that being pushed and working hard and learning the diligence of good, honest work is really a blessing. And looking back at my years at St. Teresa's and thinking about all the times when I just didn't want to do my homework and all that, I'm actually thankful for that homework because it got me to where I am today. And I wouldn't be here without all of the hard work.
You need, when we die, we want people praying for us. We want people saying masses for us. I want grandchildren and great-grandchildren that understand and know the faith, that love the faith, and I want them, right, to understand the sacrifices that were made for them. And we want prayers. Mm-hmm. We want prayers.
Not every Catholic school is built the same. I've been to a lot of Catholic schools. You know, for a lot of them, it's a class. It's what's it on the test. Here they teach you, they take you. That's important. Weapons. That's the most important thing you can learn. It's more important than really any practical thing you can learn. The practical things will come. You have to live in this world, of course. You've got to make a living, but this world is nothing but, it's really a temporary state compared to the eternal realm that we could have with Christ. So
that one of the things that our teachers all here do at St. Teresa's is that really leaves an impression on me is the way we focus everything on God. And I remember one of my teachers when I was much younger, she had us put AMDG on the top of all of our assignment papers, which stands for Ad Maiorem Dei Gloriam, for the greater glory of God. And that really sticks with me because I was in like 1st grade and I still do that in 8th grade. So 7 years, and I've always been doing that. And it's the same with all the teachers and all the classes. So that is one thing that's really stuck with me.
And if just looking at the kids at St. Teresa's, the awards that they've won, we were talking about this the other night, right, their academic bona fides are, already established as young as the school is. You know, they can compete across the city with other Catholic schools, with public schools, and they're winning all kinds of awards. I think if you look at schools that are being run in the classical style, I think they were rated number 6 in the country and number 1 in the state of Texas. So, I think that's a tribute, right, and a good benchmark. If you're looking at how well an education you can receive at St. Teresa's, that's an incredible benchmark and a great tribute to the school.
I think the greatest lessons that I've learned are all the lessons that have come from religion. And they're the lessons that I should not be afraid of what I believe in. And I should not be afraid of being Catholic, because our mission in heaven is to enlighten people's minds. It's to evangelize, and it's to bring everyone to heaven. And if there's anything that I've learned here at St. Teresa's, is that is my one mission in life, to help everyone around me, including myself, to go to heaven, and that I should not be afraid to wear my miraculous medal or say the rosary, because in the end, all of this is God's will, and this life is just 1 millisecond compared to eternity in heaven with God. So that would be my greatest lesson I've learned here at St. Teresa's.
When that was happening, and I said to Father Reynolds, Father Reynolds, you must be he must be really thrilled about, that the school is, going to educate the children. And he said, yeah, I'm thrilled about that. But what's even more impressing for me is it's not only about the children, but it's about their parents as well. And so he said that this is a way to gather all the parishioners and community closer to the church and the sacraments. And that was really impressive to me. And that's exactly what happened in our lives, through the school.
Absolutely. I absolutely agree.
Like there's great professors, great teachers who are wanting to not only educate you academically, but educate you spiritually, get you ready for the world. That was really the thing I appreciate now the most. That's what.
Yes.
And I think most parishioners' experience with the school would be in the liturgy, whether it's in the daily liturgy. And there are a lot of people that go to our daily masses at St. Teresa's. The parish has done a wonderful job of also weaving the children into kind of Sunday liturgies, especially around Christmas time or the Easter Triduum or the season of Lent or Advent. They're present there, and so again, the parish gives, the school gives the parish an identity I don't think it would have without the school. And we've been fortunate enough, I think, to see that grow as the school has grown. We've seen the impact of the school on the parish, and we've also seen the parish's impact on the school. And it's just, again, that's a very beautiful thing, and it's something that's very, very attractive about St. Teresa's.
In that formula. And St. Teresa's really provides that faith and reason together, because the academics are pretty rigorous, and it's very, very, it's a lot that they have to offer academically, but spiritually and faith-wise, there's no comparison. They take it to a level that is just I've never seen, and
I'm really excited to start like a new chapter of my life, so to speak, but I'm also very sad to be leaving St. Teresa's. I will certainly miss it because it has been my second home for as long as I can remember, my second family, and I've been here for a decade, and so I know this place inside out. I've been with my friends forever, at least that's what it feels like, and the teachers and the environment, it's so close-knit, and I've never felt uncomfortable or shy here. And I've been able to try different things that I wouldn't be able or feel comfortable about trying outside of St. Teresa's because I know everyone so well and it's such a loving environment. So I will be sad to miss it, but I feel very confident that St. Teresa's has prepared me for high school. And so I'm excited.
And even at the school, I notice, and I started wearing, I wear my miraculous medal, and so many others, and when I first, I didn't even know about the miraculous medal and how, the beauty and the protectiveness and so many of the things. And if you go to St. Teresa, you'll see many of the children wearing this miraculous medal. And I was just, I couldn't believe I've never seen a school, and the children, they have rosaries in their pocket, the teachers, they've got rosaries with them, they have miraculous medals with them, such a display of reverence to the rosary and to Blessed Mother, and
that's the reason why St. Teresa is so stringent with its academics, has a high standard. It's not because of an arrogant, prideful mentality that they want their students to be the creme de la creme. No, it's because they understand that understanding and faith are intricately related, that without good understanding, faith cannot be strong.
So what I can say now is that I would pay double, seriously. I mean, for my kids to attend St. Teresa's. Okay. Now I'm not saying that that don't get any funny ideas or anything about that, But the point I'm trying to say is that the return is so impressive. It's just, you can't be measured with money. I mean, it's just, you can't put a price tag on it,
Absolutely.
you know? And
He got lost in the garden
How did he get lost in the garden?
because he didn't listen to his mom and the garden was so big.